Hey, hi everyone. I welcome you all in this new video. So in this video, I'm going to discuss if you wanted to learn Palantir Foundry from basics, either you wanted to learn from the intermediate level to become advanced in Palantir Foundry, either you are working as a data engineer, as a application developer there, or as a FDE means forward deployed engineer. So in which role either you are working, uh, so if you wanted to master your skills or you wanted to learn it from the basics, either you are working on some new uh, like some other data platforms like Snowflake or Databricks, and your company is just going to migrate towards from the previous databases or the cloud-based technologies to new Palantir Foundry, then how you can learn all these things. So basically, let me introduce that I have created a course on Udemy. Before going in depth, let me tell you, for one-on-one sessions, I was charging $400 for that, but a lot of people are not able to afford that. So for that, I have created this Udemy recorded videos. I will provide the list, the URL to go there, and you can go watch that. And definitely, it will be not that much costly. I have covered all the topics like ontologies, data connection, pipeline builder, data lineage, and so on, like workshop, slate, contour, qover, major of the platforms that were required in any cases, like as a data engineer, as a platform engineer, I can say, means platform engineer means the same application engineer or data engineer, or as a data analysis, whatever role you are working on, you can go watch that videos. It will help you to achieve your goals, to master Palantir Foundry. And in future we will be also launching one by one in-depth videos of ontologies, data pipeline, data connection, workshop, QA, all these separately. But for now, you can go visit Udemy, watch that course. It will help you a lot to cover a lot of things, to learn a lot of things. I hope you have received some good information in this video. We will be coming back to the next videos in on topics, on further topics. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video and you will watch that playlist. And if you have any queries on the provided WhatsApp number, you can reach out to us. We will be always ready to help you in whatever conditions you are stuck. Either you wanted to looking for a role change or any kind of job support, we are here to help you. Thank you for watching this video.